back to the Peach Patch here. I'm going to introduce you to somebody special. It is my dad, otherwise known as Jimothy by some people, Jimmy by others, or Peach Pit. That's what we're going to call him, is Peach Pit. He went out and bought more bird feed because we decided we needed to keep feeding them. So let's see what happens with this. Hey, Peach Pit,
Yes.
how much bird feed have we gone through this year?
200 pounds altogether.
Does this make 200 pounds or is this additional?
This is in addition to the 200 pounds we've used so far.
So it's another 40 pounds. Is that what that is?
I believe so. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and he's got another bag.
This is 50 pounds.
So another 90 pounds.
Yes, but we're not going to use it all.
Okay. Okay. Is that it?
That's it. That's all there is to it, of course.
Okay, now, why do you layer like that?
Oh, I think it looks pretty.
You think it looks pretty?
Now, the original reason was that I didn't know what bird feed to get. All the different bird feeds had different birds. So I decided to try two different kinds to attract more variety of birds. Got the black oil sunflower seeds and the classic mix. And it seems to work. We get quite a few different birds. So.
Awesome. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing Peach Pit fill his bird feeder. Now there is something that I do want to show you that I saw while he was filming. It's pretty cool. These icicles that are on these bushes back here. They're pretty cool. It's on one, and this one's really Really cool. And there's Sona, our supervisor, making sure.
Good job. Did we do okay by you? We did? Okay.
Okay, Sona says we did a good job. Okay, folks, that wraps up this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.